We are live. Welcome everyone. So we watching at the moment Govx is about to squeeze from this triangle. We watching if we still holding above this support. We're gonna have the first pre-signaling around the $3.55. We're gonna see another volatility like what happened here around the $2.35 if we still holding above this triangle, because we have a breakout at the moment, but we still don't have a clear indication for breakout until we break the $3.55. So let me just put a line here to confirm that we're gonna break out this line, the $3.55. We have AMC is breaking out and testing the $16. Of course, the $16 was the really nice support to hold. And we talked about it before. We said the $16 is the support, and we're gonna have a test for the 19 first, and the price go down today as we predicted and went up, and now we over the 20. A lot of we have a really nice voting for on our YouTube community, and many of you said we have to focus on AMC for today watch list. So if you didn't vote, you can vote on the YouTube community, because we always do voting in order to see which one we should focus on, which stock we should focus on. So let me just go at my channel. Wait a second, community. Yes. You can see here we did like a voting for which stock we should hunt for today on the live streaming, and we have AMC 53%. Most of the vote went for AMC, the second one for Tblt, and the third one for Govx. So if we go back and check again for Tblt, okay. So for Tblt, you can see it that we got rejected because we have double top around the $9.30. Now we have a support we should hold above the $6.44. Govx, as we said, we need to hold in this triangle to confirm a breakout around the $3.55. Still holding, consolidating. We have a lot of volatility around this triangle. We're gonna have the $5.42 if we held this important support for Gravix. Welcome everyone. So we have Goku, Better Ben. How you doing, everybody? Yes. BBIG is still Goku, still BBIG. We need to, as we said before, for BBIG we need to overcome a one resistant. Wait a second, let me just check. Yeah, for BBIG, we said the 0.8387 is the resistance to overcome for BBIG, otherwise we'll continue to go down. Now we have a gap around the 0.75, that's why we dipped even more. So what I suggest, BBIG will have another volatility, because we have a test and the market went below the 0.83. So this is confirming that the 0.83 have a significant value for us to have BBIG go around the $1 or above. If we go to AMC again, look what's going on for AMC. Last time we talked about it here. Let me just check. Yeah, on the TradingView community and even our Patreon, we talked about AMC. We said we're gonna have a test and then going below around the 16. So the support, if we held above the 16, we're gonna go over the 20, and that's what happened. We have a test for the 20, the price went down for the 16 and went again up. So it was a really nice trade for us for AMC. And if we go again and check AMC, we can have this was clear. Today we have a volatility, the price went down. Then we have the ape buying above the 16, and now we holding above the 20. We have a test for the 29. This will be the next squeeze for AMC. If we test this area, we're gonna have a volatility like what happened before the 20. We have a big sell-off for today because we test the 20 before the 20. That's why the price gravitating down. Here we're gonna have the short will come in again for AMC, so watch out. We have Nova doing good. We have holding above the 26. We have a profit taken out on the 30. For plug is doing good as well, 5%. We have a drawback a bit in the market open. We're still holding the gap around the 24. That's why we continue to go higher. We're gonna have for even the next week around the 28. This is my target to take other profit for plug, another 10%. Yes, let me just go to Govx, going back again. We have crazy things going on for Govx now. We have a crazy fight. You can see now, every time we test here, we're gonna have buying pressure, and still there's a big fight because last time for Govx we have big volatility. You see here when we test the $2.35 and we did 60%. Imagine. So we have a big buying pressure happen so many times for Gravix. Starting from the 25th of July, we have 260%. Then we have a selling pressure around the $2.35. Then again, we have crazy volatility, 80%. Then the short come in and the price shorted 45%. And again, we have almost 60%. Then the short come in. However, this time we have a big fight for this support. If we held it, man, this will be another jump because we have 2 hours left before the market close. Before the market close, the last hour, we might see a power hour for Govx. That's why we have alert for Govx nearing this support. You see how crazy this support and this candles. We have like soldier, they're really standing above this support. We have crazy candles forming today. Yeah, 5th of July. We have the same bottom around the 330. We have the same bottom around the 330. If we held it, we're gonna have another jump, and the jump will confirm around the $3.50. Any price doesn't hold here, we're gonna have a sell-off. So I will be watching for this one closely. AMC is still jumping perfectly. ABML is got rejected around the 0.88. Wait a second, we have ATER is doing kind of good because we have a bit of sell-off around the $2.90. The price went down, but we're still holding above the $2.60. The $3.08 is the resistance. If we overcome it, we're gonna go around the $4. Wait a second, let me go to again for Nile. We have a crazy volatility for Nile. If we go here, we have something going on for Nile. We're doing a nice ascending line, and the price is still continue to go up for Nile. Yes, so if we continue to go higher here, we're gonna have the 0.51. So the 0.51 for Nile is the resistance to overcome in order to enter a bullish trend nearing the $1. The $1 is the most important level for Nile. Now we have this ascending line, and we have this EMA to overcome around the 0.51. So the 0.51 for Nile is the turning point. Now we have entered the massive selling pressure the moment we broke the 0.50 cent. Let me just check. Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Crazy volatility for today. Yeah, I know. Hello Dynasty, how you doing? Goku said BBIG is halted. Oh man, I know, because we broke another support. Sophie, yes, Mr. Gitam, we're gonna check them out. No problem, Luis. Happy to help. Was nice hunt with you. AEMD. Oh man. Okay, please. Dynasty said AEMD, of course. APDN and Govx. Okay, Luis, of course. Luis, look, for Govx, we're still waiting for Govx to hold this support, because this is a really crazy support. Now we have a crazy fight happening for GOVX. If we hold this support, we're gonna have the test for the $3.55 before the market close, and if we overcome the $3.55, we're gonna have another explosion toward the $5.42. So I'm watching, I'm ready, put my notification for our stock here. This is crazy volatility now. Let me just check GETM, AMTD. AMTD. We already did a voting. I don't know if you saw, everyone. We did it 7 hours ago. We said that you have to comment your stock. We have a lot of comment here, and some of you didn't see. That's why I prepare the stocks that been requested from us 7 hours ago. So check the community section on YouTube. We always put the voting so we could actually prepare before the market open. That's why we put, like, you see it, AMC the first, then Tblt, then Govx. So those the first we start with, then we talk the other one from the comment section. So just go on the community section on YouTube and you can vote and you comment whatever stock you want. Let me just check. For Mr. Getem, he said AMMTD. Yes, we put it here. Oh man, this one is crazy. Let me just check. Yeah, crazy volatility for this one. We didn't have confirmation to. We just filled the gap above the $5.17, and the good thing that we still holding above this AMA. And the bad thing that we got rejected around this gap. So if we want to confirm this one will go higher again, we want to hold this AMA and breaking this resistance around the $5.17 and filling the gap here. This will be a pre-signaling to go to the $8.40. Let me just go to the APDN for Luis, of course. Let me just check. APDN, it jumped pretty nicely before. Let me check. Oh man, check this out. Check this out. Check this out. There's something interesting. The $6.79, we didn't clear it. You see, this is clear rejection. We have double top or even triple top, and the price went down. So for this one, I will be extra careful. We might see a drawback until the $5.27. If we don't hold it, we're gonna have double top around the $3.67. So I will not touch this one unless we have a clear out or breakout for this resistance around the $6.79. Yes, Stevie, I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. Dynasty asked about AEMD. Let me just check this out. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. So this one is still holding the gap that we did before. Let me just check. Yeah, still struggling to go higher. We did a nice jump until the $2.30. Now it seems to me we have a really interesting resistance to overcome for this one. Yes, around the $2. Oh man, this one will be crazy. This one will be crazy. We might see like a jump before the market close. If we're still holding this ascending line, we're gonna have a breakout. Man, this one look nice. This one look nice to me. Yeah, the $3 will be our target. Let me just check how much we can make for this one. Oh man, 80%. 80%. AEMD, this is one looking nice. Okay, nice, looking nice to me. Let me just lower this and put another alert for APDN around this level. This mean we gonna go lower. Yes, sir. This one, I'll put alert so we never miss it. Always when I see a stock have potential to jump up or down, I just put alert and I forget about it. This one kind of chubby for me, so I don't like. BBIG, as we said, the 0.8387 will be interesting to overcome. Nile, yeah, still doing higher lows and holding this ascending line. We said the 0.51 will be important level to overcome. Govx is still struggling to hold this support. What's gonna be? This will be a really tight trade. Will be a really tight trade. Okay, let me go to this one. AMC doing great. Okay, wait a second. Let me bring this up. Okay, sorry for this. Okay, hopefully the internet didn't disconnect. Okay, we have AMC is jumping again. Nice. Let me just check this out because for AMC, okay, let me just put alert because AMC we're gonna test an important level before the market close around this area, the 25. Yes, the 25 will be test first before the 29. Okay, plug, what's going on with plug? Yeah, 5% up for a plug. Alert for the $25. We said the 20 is the support now. You can see it clearly that the 20 is to have a clear indication for the bull, but the bear is won the game now for Govx. That's why we have a big volatility down. You see what's happened the moment that we broke? We have a big wick. So yeah, now for Gravix, we're gonna have a volatility down. So watch out. Let me just put it on the $3 here. we might see a test before the market close around the $3.03. This is will be let me just check. Yeah, 7% down. Let me go to AMC. Oh man, AMC is jumping crazy now before the market close. So we have opla. This is crazy volatility today. For AMC, we went down 11%, now doing 15% up. This is crazy. Like, you're talking about manipulation one-on-one. We have a gap down. Usually when we have a gap down when the market open, this is unusual to have the market going up 15% up from the opening price. So this is unusual actually for a lot of stocks, but for AMC, always doing the unusual. Okay, BBIG still. Let me go to my other list for the squeeze stocks. We have DKNG doing good. Last time we covered DKNG around the 1480, and we said this is the breakout, and it was really nice trade here because we did almost 30%. For Mara, still 5% up. Since Yannick doing really good the moment that we broke the $1.69, now getting in green 20%. Tesla have a big drawback. You see what's happened for Tesla? If you remember, we did alerts on our Patreon for Tesla and many stocks. We talked about Tesla and the other stocks, and we said we're gonna have like a reversal. As you can look here, last time we did GameStop and Mara, the breakout zone, and yeah, of course, Coinbase. Of course, this is was the nice trade that we did when Coinbase was around the $80, and we predicted the price to hit the 112 before the rejection. Because if we go to Coinbase, Coinbase is still down from the 112. You see it clearly. We got rejected before when the market opened. Price went down, now nearing the support around the 81. So the 81 is the support to hold for Coinbase in order to continue to go higher toward 200. So let me just check Tesla. Last time we talked about Tesla, we talked about this level of resistance, which is the 947. This will mark entering a bullish trend, but you know what? The short is waiting for this price to get hit in order to enter heavily. So they enter, and we have 6% down for Tesla. This is normal. This is normal. Now, before the market close, we might have a reversal around this support. The 845, this will be a nice buying pressure for us and loading up area for Tesla before we have a buying pressure back. So I will be watching for this area to buy back. Will be 4% or 5% trade for this one. Yes, this one would be a really nice trade. Nice trade. I will be watching for Tesla when we hit this trigger area. Come on. The alert was triggered around this area. Let me put it back around the 45. Perfect. Coin went okay. Let me go on my list. AEMD still holding. There's one we talked about it, but we said we're gonna have a nice jump for it. I think this one. Yeah, this one looking really pretty nice to me, or kind of juicy. If we overcome the $2, this will mark another volatility. We have a good jump here around the beginning of August. We did a nice jump around 50%. Then the next day we did 100% or 50% again. So what we should expect for this one, we might see another jump will be 60% or 50%. We could actually make 50% for this one. We have one gap. We might see another gap for next week. The best case scenario for today, if we close above the $2, this would be nice. It would be a crazy entry point for today for a big gap for Monday. However, before the market close, we need to hold above this ascending line to confirm this move and verify that the stock will continue to go higher. Now is around the $1.75. We expect the $3.30 price level. What's up, brother? How you doing? We have requests for OCGN. It's been a while last time we got request for OCGN. Luis asked about VRM. Of course, we're gonna cover it now. Um, 25, then 29. No, 25 today we might have a test for AMC for the 25, but the target is the 29, the top target, where we're gonna have the squeeze area. If you want to take a profit, the ultimate profit is around the 29. However, if we have a volatility for today, the ultimate price we have for AMC is around the 25. So this is a kind of realistic price around the 25, not the 29. And of course, holding above the 20. The 20 now is the support. Before it was around the 16. We're already tested. So we have a verification that this over the 16 is the support. Now we need another verification that the 20 is a strong support like the 16. If we have this confirmation that the 20 is the strong support for AMC, we're gonna have the same volatility like happened today when we tested the 16. So it was a really nice trade here. Okay. Tblt crossing the 6.40. Let us check this out now. What's going on with TBL? Oh man, this is by far like a crazy critical level that is being crossing for TBLT. Unfortunately, would be a big sign of weakness if we today close below this level. So I'll be watching, because if we close here, would be kind of a big sign that the short went heavily on TBLT before the market closed. This is indication that it's heavily shorted now. Like Govx did. You see what's happened? Govx have a big sell-off when we crossed our support. You see, it was clear that we're not loading up, but the short is loading up heavily down on Govx. So now for Govx, there's a potential support here. We're gonna have a big volatility and a wick around the $3, and we're gonna have a reversal. Just watch out for this one. We're gonna have it before the market close. Test for this area, then going higher again. We're gonna have a green candle here for sure. Like 90% chance we're gonna have a green candle and the price holding a bit. Oh, DKNG crossing the 1805. Oh, the market is volatile, so be careful. The market's now volatile. Let me just check. Oh man, now we have a volatility down for DKNG after the gap because we didn't cross the 1860. Now we're gonna fill the gap before the market close. Here we're gonna see a test for DKNG before the market close around the 17. The 1860 got rejected. We might see a test for the 17. We need to hold this gap to confirm that we still have a buying pressure. ATAR is still holding, okay, doing good. BBIG is still holding 3% up. I'm still watching this one, AEMD. This is one, oh man, if we're still holding, this would be a nice trade. Let me just check big picture. And still, we didn't gap so much. So the short is not heavily shorted this one because we just jumped. We've been barcoding before and we have just one gap. So there's potential for this one to go higher again around the $3.29 before we're gonna have a big drawback like the other stock did. Nvidia, we have a nice comeback for Nvidia around the 190, but the thing I don't like is didn't overcome the 192.66. That's why the price went down. For AMC, it's the opposite. The market gap down, then the moment that we have higher highs for today or for last week for that matter, we have a volatility and the price went up. Now it's still bumping 16%. Are we gonna have the $25 or not? Let me know. Comment section below if you think AMC we're gonna have the $25 before the market close. Let me know in comment section below. Let me go in a smaller picture to discuss what's going on with AMC. Look what's going on. Oh man, this is really crazy. We still have a crazy volatility for and we have a flag forming now. This is a nice look to have on the 1 minute chart. So still the price is bumping here. If we go back in the last few minutes, we have this flag as well and we have a crazy bump. This happened like 1 hour ago, I think. You see this bump? We have a nice bump. Now we're gonna have it again for AMC if we broke this flag from above. So we're gonna have the same reaction that happened here. We're gonna have it here. We have another bump. This is the 1 minute chart. It means every candle you can you see it here. It's just 1 minute. That's why it's forming pretty quickly. Here we're gonna have another bump like this one. And it might take us until the 23. Let me just calculate how much we did here. 8%. Let me just calculate here. Yeah, we'll be nearing the 25 as we said. So I'm watching this candle to close above. Let me just check what's going on. Let me just check. Is AMC gonna bounce from this or gonna get rejected? Like this one, you see, got rejected here, the price went down. Oh man, it's breaking. It's breaking. Let me just check. If we broke here, we're gonna have another jump until the $23. Let me just check. Let me check the volume. Yeah, the volume is doing good. So far, so good. Oh man, it's jumping. It's jumping. Let me check still the 1 minute. This 1 minute didn't close yet. We need a 1 minute close above this line to confirm a jump. Oh man, 28 before the close would be crazy for AMC. Hi Sabona Yunus, how you doing, brother? Oh man, we have a clear 1 minute. Oh, wait a second. Let me just check if we close a green candle here or not. We're gonna have another volatility like happened here. Let me just check. The volume is almost 100 million for AMC now. Almost 100 million. Oh man, this is crazy what's happening. Yeah, we're gonna have a breakout for this flag as happened here. And in 5-minute chart, we have a bit of rejection happening. Let me check this one. This one is still around the 6 million. Nova is still holding above the 26. Plug is still continue to go higher. Doing good, Plug. Yeah, we have a mini question for LKCO. Let me just check OCGN for my brother Solo Rock 624. Let me just check it. Sorry. Okay. For OCGN is jumping 3% 70. Okay, let me just go back and see what's going on. Yeah, the $1.44, it was the bottom. As you can look here, we have crazy bad earnings since last year. If we just check one earning is still in negative, of course. Usually a lot of health technology or pharmaceutical stocks usually in negative because still producing drugs and all the investor thinking about the future, not now. However, if we want to make money in the time being, we have crazy level for OCGN, like for Sensionic. When we cross the level that we talked about before, we have a volatility. Let me just give you an example. An example for Sensionic. Sensionic hit a nice bottom around the 0.79, and we confirm that we continue to hold this ascending line, and we have a breakout here. We have a nice volatility. However, there's a big difference between Sensionic and OCGN that we're starting to have the last 3 quarters we have a nice earning or good earning, and I think, let me check. It's still in negative. We don't have good revenue, but we have at least we have suppressed an estimate for in the revenue from the analyst. The price that trigger the volatility for Sensionic was $1.69. For OCGN, we're gonna have the same reaction as for Sensionic. We need to hold this ascending line, then we have a breakout will start because we have just a test here around the 8th of July or the 12th of July here. We're gonna have a test. If we got rejected, this means we're not ready yet. And if we break it, we're gonna have boom, like what happened for Sensionic exactly. We're gonna have the same reaction here, and the price we need to hold above for OCGN above the $3.98 or the $4. This will be the pre-signaling that OCGN entered a bull run again and going toward the $5.83, which is the profit taken. Oh man, look with me what's happening. We have another breakout, as we said. Oh man, look, we have another breakout, as we said. We have the same shape here. We have this flag, and we have a breakout from this flag in 1 minute chart. Now we have another breakout from this flag, as we just said in few minutes. Closing candle above this flag, we're gonna have another breakout. Now the 20, almost 23. So we have a target with 23 after this flag to form, as we suggest before we have a sell, another price test and price rejection. Starting to have a rejection now. Let me just calculate how much we did. Yeah, almost 5%. So yeah, the same reaction here. We have a breakout from this flag, then we're gonna hit a rejection, then the price go down to form another flag. So this one is confirm a breakout here around the 29 or the 21.79. That's why the price continue to go down. Now we're gonna have a bit of volatility. Let me just check if we have another red candle or not to test this flag from below. This would be a bit like a warning sign, a bit of selling pressure will happen. So we don't want to test this flag from here, okay? This would be a bit of signaling for the short coming in, and we might see a sell-off, okay? So I'm gonna watch. We're gonna test this flag and bounce from it or not. This will be a crazy turning point now for AMC, because if we don't test this flag, we're gonna have the 25. If we test this flag, we don't see the 25 before the market close. Simple as possible. Let me just check. Come on, AMC, come on. This is really crazy and interesting. Okay, let me just put alert exactly here, because if we test it, yeah, I'm gonna leave it and take the other requested stock. We have SIGA. What will happen? A good entry for RDBX. We have a mini question. QNRX. Oh man, sorry Louisa, I just forgot because we watching AMC VRM or Vroom. Vroom. Oh man, look what's going on. Vroom is going up. Vroom is testing the $2.26 again. Oh man, this is will be really crazy, because we have 28 million the volume, and we have this is crazy W shape, and will be funnelized, or like this W shape will end around this triangle, no, around this AMA, around the $3. So what I suggest for Vroom, Luis, you have to start to take profit from the $2.90 until the $3.30. So start to take profit from the $2.90 before the $3.30. So this would be our profit taken if we broke the $2.26, which is our resistance. Now is testing. Wait a second, we have 15 minutes before this 1 hour candle close. So if this 1 hour candle just broke this resistance, oh man, this would be crazy, because the last hour will be a power hour for Vroom. We might see a test for the $2.90 after that. Let me check how much Vroom can jump. Oh man, 28%, now 25%. So we have even the earnings after 3 days. So by Monday, we're gonna have maybe in Monday, yeah, at Monday. So Vroom is looking juicy to me now. It look really juicy. And this is the support. If we get rejected, Luis, here we have a support. Here we're gonna have a support, consolidate before we continue higher. Before I forget, let me just do something, because this trade looking interesting. Let me just yeah, this one would be interesting. Okay, this is perfect. Since Yannick, no, OCGN still, AMD still struggling, AMC still bumping. Oh man, yeah, we didn't test the hour flag, so there's a potential for the 25. Oh, crazy, man. Yeah, the 25, we might see at the 25 if we never went back around the 2180. So this target area, this will confirm that AMC will still bump or not. We have a stairway to heaven. Stairway to heaven with AMC. Stairway to heaven. We're gonna have a target here. 25 will be tested for AMC before the market close. Are we gonna see the $25? Let me check how much we can make. 10% again for AMC, waited to be gained. Let me just check. Yeah, it starts squeezing. Exactly, Luis. Exactly. Let's hunt. Let's hunt for Vroom. It's getting near. It's getting near. Okay, wait a second. Let me just check what we have here. Oh man, we have to be close. We have to watch out for AMC. AMC, come on, man. We have a big fight happening now around the 22. There's a fight happening. Let me go to the 1 minute chart. There's fight. Yes, there's fight. There's fight. Oh, come on. We have a fight here around the 22.64. If we broke it, we're going to have the 25. If not, we're going to have the price test around the 21.85. And if we don't hold this one, we're going to continue to go down before the market close. What's going to be? What's it going to be? This would be crazy now. Let me just put this here. Check this out. Check this out. Yeah, we have a resistance forming now in 1 minute chart. This will give us just pre-signaling what's going on. The 22.64. Are we gonna break it? This will be another support now. This will give us the 25. Let me just check. Yeah, this will give us crazy level. Oh man, this is crazy what's happening. You see how we have a pullback now? Yes. Oh man, this is crazy. See what's happened? Yeah, the 20. Oh man, the 22.64. Yeah, confirmed crazy rejection now. Let's go. Oh man. So this should be the support. Should be the support. Let me just check if we're gonna have a buying pressure now. The ape. Oh man, this is what's happening now. The confirmed resistance. 22.64 confirmed resistant. Now the support should be here, the 22.80. This will be a bounce. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh man, we're gonna have a bounce now. Let's check the triangle, hold or not. This would be the turning point now for AMC. Let's see. Okay. Let's hunt for this one. Oh, buying pressure happening now. Okay, let me just check. If we got rejected here, we're gonna go back down. Yeah, 22.41. Okay, what's going on? This is strong support now. Confirmed strong support here around the 21.80. Let me go to the 5 minute chart. Oh, you see what's happening? A big wick. A lot of buying now. Oh man. Yeah, we have a crazy bump now. Are we gonna break it? Are we gonna break it? Oh man, come on, come on, come on. Just 1 cent. Okay, 1 minute. We have to close above this level to confirm another jump. Oh man, doesn't. Oh man, this is crazy what's happening here. 22.64, crazy rejection. Oh man. What's going on? Who's selling AMC now? There's a big whale selling AMC now around the 22.64. Or they watch our live streaming. Either that or that. We have to stop our live streaming, man. This is crazy. I think the whale watching our live streaming, man. Because they're starting shorting at 22.64 the moment we talked about it. Are we gonna see a break or not? Let me know. No problem, George. No problem. I can understand. Of course. Okay, now we breaking. Now we breaking. Let me go to the 5 minute. Yeah, we breaking now. Yeah, we breaking the resistance. 22.64. Oh man, this is a rejection now. Another rejection. We didn't close. This crazy candle right now. We didn't close. The 22.64 is crazy resistant now, confirmed. I think, let me just go in the big picture what's going on. We're gonna have a rejection here. Yeah, we're gonna have a rejection. 22.64. Let me go back what's going on. Let me just check the other stocks, because here we have a crazy fight for AMC for the 22.64. Let me go back to Vroom. Oh man, what's going on? Look, Luis, 5 minute chart. We have kind of rejection now around the $2.26. The $2.26 is rejection. So I don't suggest to enter now. We have to have a clear indication for breakout. Let me go to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, 1 hour candle didn't close. 15 minute red candle. 5 minute we have 2 red candle, and now, yeah, big short coming in. Oh man. Let me just go to have more details, because if we go in smaller picture, we can have more details. Let me put this, you know what? The $2.20, if we held it, we're gonna have a breakout for the $2.26. Let me just put it here around this candle. Yeah, here it doesn't feel good if we go below the $2.18. I don't like this. We need to hold above this level around the $2.20 to have a breakout for Vroom. Before the market close, we might see a $2.33 and close above the $2.33 would be a best case scenario for Vroom, because we have even the earning on Monday. This will have a kind of a gap day for Vroom. So I'll be watching before the market close. This one, put it on my list. Let me put another one on my list. This one, I don't know. Now it's kind of breaking this ascending line. I don't like it. You see, we need to have a confirmation. The $1.99 was our breakout zone. We didn't have it. Let me put it after Vroom, because this is a potential trade before the market close. Cincianic, oh man, Cincianic, okay, doing good, because it's still holding above the $2. So if anybody trading Cincianic, because it's looking nice to me, kind of, yeah, look nice. Look kind of, yeah, above the $2 look good to me. Look, we have a crazy volatility and price held perfectly for Cincianic. So the Cincianic will be the second after Vroom for a potential trade for the market close. OCGN, let me just check OCGN. Okay, OCGN, I will enter for OCGN above the $3.18. Let me put the notification here. Otherwise, I will not. BBIG is still below the 0.83, so I don't suggest to enter now. Nile doing still, it's a bit far. Let me just go to ATR. Yes, ATR is kind of a bit good, but I would suggest to enter above the $3. APML doing kind of good. We have a breakout above the 0.75. We still hold this breakout. We have a rejection around our AMA. The next time we overcome the 0.88, just be ready for big volatility until the $1.09. So this one, I will put it on my watch list. 23% we can make for this one. Okay, we have 3 stock we can hunt. Let me go for Govx. Yeah, Gravix. Still, we're gonna have a test for $3. Will be a really nice trade. Buying pressure happening before the $3. This is normal. Tblt, man, look what's happening. We're still holding. That's why we suggest this really strong support. Let me just put it here around the $6.30. If we held Tblt above the support, we're gonna have a really good jump until the $7.32. So there's a potential for trade before the market close for Tblt. Let me just put it here and put it here. Okay. And we have another trade, Tblt, nice one, this one, okay. AMC, have a rejection, as we talked about it. Look, we got rejected to 22.64. As we said, the 22.64 was the turning point for AMC to have the $25, but we didn't. Confirm rejection. Now there's a turning point. We're gonna have a test for this support around the 21.84. If we have this reaction bouncing back, boom, we're gonna have the 25. Otherwise, we might see a bit of rejection and the price will draw back heavily. So watch out. Let me just check. We might have the 20. Yes, testing the 20. Yes, the 20. The support now is 22. We might see a drawback until the 20 if we don't overcome the 22.64. And we have a kind of support here around this level. Yeah, the 21.81. We need to hold this support to have the 25 and breaking the 22. If we held this level, we're gonna break the 22. If we don't hold this level around the 22, we're gonna have the 20. A bit of sell-off we're gonna have before the market close. So the 22.64 is crazy level. Plug, we have a bit of rejection, normal. We're gonna have a buying pressure happening around this ascending line to continue to go higher. This would be a best case scenario. Let me just put my notification for plug around this area. Boom. Nova, yes, getting rejected again. Normally Nvidia, yes, rejected because we have a rejection around the 192. Let me just check Vroom. Yeah, look what's happening, Luis. That's why I suggest never enter. That's why I suggest never enter until we have a confirmation for breakout from the $2.26 resistance. We have a rejection, you see. Are we gonna have a buying pressure here or not? Let me just check in a smaller picture. Yeah, we have a buying pressure happening for Vroom. Cincianic still holding. Blues, George. No problem. I can understand. You can watch the live streaming after your work, so it will be make sure that the live streaming will be uploaded to our channel. Okay. Funny one. Okay, we have a great question. What's the real good entry for RDBX? Oh man. Oh man. Unbelievable. Thank you for bringing this up. The entry was around the $3.64. Look what happened. We have a really good bounce, 4% now, perfectly as we suggested. The last time we talked about RDBX, if you remember, we talked about it here on our Patreon pre-market update and even on our TradingView community. We did chart analysis, and even on YouTube, we talked about the $5.19. When we cross it, we said we're gonna test it. If we get rejected, we're gonna have where? Yes, the $3.64. We went today. It's been a while. It's been, let me just check how many days. It's been almost 1 week before this prediction come true. So you need time. You have a lot of buying pressure happened and a bit of fake out happened here. So yeah, the best opportunity to have to buy RDBX was here around the $3.64. We need to hold. This is kind of critical area for RDBX to hold above this box to confirm going back toward the $5.19 and squeezing again. So this is and again, if you want a more sure way for RDBX to jump and squeeze faster, is the $5.19 if we close above it. So we have two support or critical area to enter, either around now the area that we bounce from, the $3.64, and the other one is when we break the $5.19 resistant. Okay, let me just check AMC. 19%. Yes. Now we have a crazy selling pressure happening around the 22.64. Yeah. Confirmed rejection. Yeah. Yes, 22.64 was rejection. Here we got no rejection after we broke from this flag. Then we have a nice jump. We got a bit of rejection. We enter it down, but we don't test this flag before. That's why here now we confirm that the short are in control. If we test this flag here, would be not good, man. Not good. Yes, not good. Look what's going on. The shorties came in. Yes, man. Oh, crazy. Let's see if we bounce from this. Yes, crazy. This is really crazy. This will give us a bit of signal that AMC stopped bumping down for today, and we're gonna have a bit of consolidation before we gonna have the 25. At least for today, because we did a good jump for today. The screen is fuzzy. I think you could change that with the quality of the picture at your side. I don't know if that's possible or not. No, Wahid, we didn't do LKCO yet. Please bless the like button and the way in. Don't forget this. Will help the algorithm to make this live streaming go to as wide as possible for many hunters and traders to help as many as possible. That's why we do here the live streaming. We have to help the other traders. Okay, and you can actually share our live streaming to your family and your friends if you want to for them to make money as well. Let me just check for Wahid LKCO. You see what's happening? As we said, the 2264 is the rejection for AMC. We didn't overcome it. Now we're going to have a test for the 2180. You see what's happening, buying pressure. If we held this level, we're going to have a breakout for the 2264 and we're going to go to 25 before the market close. If not, we're going to have the 20. Watch out, we're going to have a big sell-off if we don't hold this level. Let me just go to LKCO. LKCO, man, this one. Okay, what's going on with LKCO? We have something strange. Yeah, we have still below our current resistance, the 0.3642. So I don't suggest to make any trade for LKCO because the volume is dropping like crazy. So I don't suggest to enter at the moment. Just put notification around the 0.3642. This will mark another volatility if we broke this resistance. Otherwise, stay clear from LKCO at the moment. Even if we gapped, I don't like to take trade and gambling. Now is gambling. Pedro asked about MEG. We never checked this one before. Okay, we have two. Is it on the Canadian market or on the American market? Of course, will be an American market. Let me just take this guess. We never covered this before. So it's clear just from the chart we have a turning point for this one. Yeah, like most all the stocks have a turning point around November and the beginning of this year. You see here the big selling pressure happening. Now we have kind of a turning point. However, we have a turning point, but the short is coming in. I'm seeing big short coming in now. Man, this would be interesting play. We have just level to overcome the 42.36. If we overcome it, we're gonna have another breakout around the 45. Let me just calculate how much we can make here. 6%, yeah, before another short will come in. But if we want to confirm going higher and higher for MEG, we have two levels. You can take the first one is the 45. We're gonna have a rejection. So first, we have to clear the 42, closing above, consolidate. First profit taken will be the 45.69. If we got rejected, don't panic. This is normal. If we still holding above the 42 is normal. We're gonna have the 56. This would be a nice profit taken. Would be yeah, it's good. Around the 31%. And the first one is 6%. So we have a bit of rejection is normal after this big drop. And we can kind of have a V-shaped recovery for this one. Something happened fundamental wise, I think, because we have V-shaped recovery for this stock and we might have a crazy jump until the 56 normally in the coming weeks. So thank you for bringing this up. It looked really interesting to me. And of course, before I forget, I put my notification. So we never forget to hunt this one. The 42, yeah, 42.80. What's going on, Ben? What's going on? Oh yeah, the apes came in. Look what's going on. As we said it before the market close. Here, this is the bottom. This is the support. We're gonna have a buying pressure. We said the 2180. See what's happening. Let me go in the 1 minute chart. This will be a nice. Oh man, perfect bounce from our support. What we suggest just few minutes ago, we said this is the resistance. We're gonna see a sell-off. Where we're gonna buy? Yes, the buyer will come here. Yes, perfect trade. So let me just check. You can actually trade this one. It's short 2.70%, and now almost 3%. So yeah, this is confirmed support. We bounce from this triangle or from this flag from above. Bounce, perfect support, perfect resistance. So what is gonna be? Now we have to have a breakout from the 2264 for AMC to go to the 25 before the market close. So is this the power hour for AMC? This will confirm everything, which is breaking the 2264. This would be a nice trade, man. We're gonna have the 25. Come on, this is crazy bounce, perfect bounce from our support, as we suggested few minutes ago, as we said after we got rejected around the 2264. So what's gonna be now? What is gonna be? Are we gonna have the 2264 broken or not? Because this will have another volatility and another jump like what we did when we broke this flag. Boom, we're gonna have another volatility. Boom, we're gonna have the 23 at least, over the 23, of course. Watch out, the ape came in. Oh man, we have a crazy volatility. Yes, we're gonna break this one before the market close, if we're still holding above the 2180, of course. Thank you, Thiago. Thank you. Please bless the like button so we can spread this live streaming to as wide audience as possible, and the ape will see it. Okay, so we can help AMC going higher when the ape can see the support and the resistance and where the short are lines, so we can have a like fair fight, because the short came heavily here. This is crazy short position open here. An ape buying the dip. This is normal. The ape always buying the dip. And the short is kind of strategic. They didn't go at the beginning of the market. They came in on the strategic number 2264. This is crazy number. This is not a normal number. This is predictable and precise calculation from the short. They came in around the 2264 to short AMC for today and Friday. So what's gonna be? Are we gonna have a breakout for the 2264? And we're gonna have a crazy volatility again for the AMC? Oh man, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen pretty soon. It's gonna happen pretty soon. Let me just check. Yeah, we have another level. Let me just check. Yeah, here. Yes, here. 2249. Another level. If we broke this one, we're gonna have a nice breakout. Let me just bring this line. Yes, we're gonna have a breakout now. Let me just check. Boom. Oh man, we have a falling wedge now. Oh, crazy. This is confirmed a lot of short coming in. Oh, crazy. You see what's going to happen? This is short. This is rejection. And here we're going to have a breakout. Here we're going to have our breakout. Come on. We're going to have a breakout here. Come on, AMC. What's going to happen now? Let me just take out this out. Yeah, falling wedge. This will be breakout or no. This will be a breakout or sell off. Oh, from 2.26 is crossing. Oh, now we have a breakout. Oh, we have a rejection. Oh man, we have a rejection, I think. We're gonna see if this 1 minute candle will close below or not. if we have this candle close around this area, around the 22.14, this is a rejection, and we're gonna have a sell-off. Okay, let me just, oh man, this is crazy what's going on here. This is another support. If we broke it, we're gonna have a sell-off. Let me just check. Oh man, this is pretty near. It's pretty near. Here we're gonna have our breakout 22.68, and here if we don't hold this support, we're gonna have a sell-off. Come on, if we don't hold this, we're gonna have a sell-off. If we hold 22.16, we're gonna see a breakout. Come on, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen now? Oh man, come on, this is a rejection now around the 22.47, as we said. Let me just check. Still we have a fighting chance now for AMC. Still we have a fighting chance around this level, the 22.49. This will be our breakout for AMC. Let me just check. And this is the support now. Because if we test it and we still hold, we're gonna still have a breakout after we broke this wedge. This is a big fight now. It's a big fight. The volume now is 100 million. 100 million for AMC. So come on, what's gonna be? Oh, I have to drink water, man. I'm really thirsty now. Bless the like button. Please. Bless the like button so our live streaming will go to all the apes on all the jungle and all the like even on Mars, because all the apes want to go to the moon. I'm telling you, the moon, there's nothing in the moon. We have to go to Mars better. Oh man, let me just check Vroom, because we have breakout, I think. Oh, we have a kind of a fake out. Yeah, we have just wick just triggered our target. Let me just put it around the 30. Oh man, this will be a really good entry now. For Vroom is kind of volatile. Let me just check. We held the support. You see what's happening, Luis, if you're still here? We held the support around the 220. We just talked about it just a few minutes ago. You can just watch the live streaming. We said the $2.20 is the support. We held it. We have just a test for the $2.22, the 26, the breakout. Now the short came in again. So we have a tight price action for Vroom between the $2.20 and the $2.26. Any price breaking the $2.20 will be a breakout down. Oh man, we have another. This is rejection, man. I will not get in. If you already took this trade, get out. This is not good. This is really not good for AEMD. Okay, let me just go back to Vroom. It's really tight. Let me just go to AMC. AMC, where's AMC? What's going on? What's going on? Are we still breaking or not? Oh man, come on. Look what's happening. Look. Look, we have confirmed this resistance. Now testing our support. Look what's going to happen. Oh man, this is like an action movie now. This is action movie. Look what's happening. We got a crazy prediction. We got rejected around this falling wedge 3, and this is the 4th. As we said, now we have a support. We have a wick testing our support perfectly around the 22.16. What's gonna be? Our Vroom is $2.20. Let me just go back to Vroom. What's gonna happen? Oh man, Vroom is breaking out. Oh man, this one is breaking out. Let me just check. Oh, crazy. Let me just check how much we're gonna make for this one. I predict we might make 50% before the market close. We're gonna have a breakout the moment that we have this level, because we might see another level and a rejection. Let me just go. Oh man, it's breaking out. Let me just put it on $2.35. Yes, the $2.20 is the support now. Yes, we have a volatility coming up. How much the volatility? 31 million. Let me just go back to AMC if we got rejected and going back. Oh man, this is crazy, man. Oh man, look what's happening. Yes, the short is one now. Man, this is not looking good for AMC now. I don't like this. Breaking the 22.16. As we said, rejection around the 22.47. That's why the short came in. Now we have just this support left to confirm a sell-off until the 20. So yeah, a falling wedge. As we predicted, the 22.64, it was a rejection. So the short came in, and this is confirmed for rejection again. And now we close below the 22. Let me just go to Vroom because, oh man, it's jumping perfectly now. It's jumping 28%. Yes, we're gonna have a crazy volatility now for Vroom. If we held the $2.26, we're gonna have a crazy volatility for Vroom now. Yes. Hopefully that was clear, everyone, and I'm gonna check the market before close because it's crazy volatile. We're gonna do alert and pre-market update on Patreon and Discord and TradingView community. If you want to request a stock, you can check the Patreon because we do daily update and watch lists for a lot of stock that will squeeze. So join us. The link in comment section below. If you have any question, let me know. Just send me direct message to my email, which is trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. Let me know if you have a question regarding Patreon, Discord, or our community section on TradingView community. Hopefully that was clear and informative. We're gonna do live streaming weekly around the 8 p.m. European Standard Time. So if you have any question, or you have a stock to be reviewed for the live streaming for the next time, we're gonna do a voting and community section, okay? And the community section on our YouTube, you have to vote in order to have to prepare your stock before the live streaming for the next Friday 8 p.m. You see here we have AMC the first, then Govx, then Tblt. That's we covered first on our live streaming. So go there and vote for your favorite stock so we cover it in the next live streaming. Hopefully that was informative, and we're gonna see you in the next update. We're gonna do, of course, video for the Sunday before the market open. So hopefully that was informative, and see you in the next video, and have a nice weekend.